What does Tesla have to do with Amazon and you and I? Stay tuned to this video and find out. Recently, I watched Elon Musk talk about the future of Tesla at Autonomy Day 2 weeks ago. Now, at this conference, he spoke about his vision for the future. And to be honest, it blew my mind. Now, I know there are a ton of haters out there in regards to his company and he himself, but after that conference, all I could think of is owning a Tesla that I flip a switch and it turns into a robo-taxi, earning upwards of $30,000 per year as I play on my laptop building my Amazon business. And oh yeah, in under 2 years from now, and I almost forgot, fully autonomous driving by the end of year to any destination. That means instead of using my energy on driving and focusing on everything, I could be live streaming to a bunch of my students in the VIP group instead. Now, for all you people who don't want to give up control of the steering wheel just yet, you'll come along eventually, I promise. So much of what Elon Musk has accomplished completely obliterated all of the haters in the past. And if I was a betting man, I would bet he will continue to do so and the large majority of his vision come true. In fact, I bet many of you don't know, but Elon Musk himself helped build PayPal. Yeah, PayPal, the payment gateway almost everybody uses, which then sold for $1.5 billion, $165 million of which went to Elon Musk himself, being the largest shareholder of the company. He then used this to fund his other projects. Now, how does this all play a role with you and I and Amazon? Well, just how Elon Musk painted a future for Tesla and how it would impact anybody who hops on board, allow me to paint a picture of the future of you and selling on the Amazon marketplace. Here we go. Let's start with the death of retail happening as we speak right now. Business Insider reports January 19, 2019, more than 3,800 stores closed across the United States in 2018. This including Toys R Us, 735 stores, Best Buy, 250 stores, Gap Inc., 200 stores, Kmart, 109 stores, Sam's Club, 63 stores, and Sears, 57 stores, to name a few. This is still the early stages of the e-commerce revolution. And guess who is taking the lion's share of the sale? If you guessed Amazon, you are correct. The Business Journal's February 19, 2019 states, Amazon is expected to grab 47% of online sales. Think about this. This doesn't mean all these sales are to Amazon's products. This means all the money that was going to big retail stores is going to products on Amazon.com. Now, what does the future look like for new or future Amazon sellers like yourself? Well, in order to get sales for your products, you need customers. Does Amazon have a lot of customers? eMarketer, February 26, 2019 reports more than half of US households will be Amazon Prime members in 2019. Fortune magazine, January 17, 2019 reports Amazon Prime has just surpassed 100 million US subscribers. It's clear to see Amazon has not only a lot of customers, but far more than any other e-commerce website. Picture for a moment 100 million people searching every day to purchase your future products at a moment's glance. There has never been a moment in history where it's been so easy for a small business to reach so many customers this easily. But now let's go a little further into the future and what it holds for new Amazon sellers like yourself. Amazon recently tweeted how in over 10,000 US cities, they're offering same-day delivery. That's right, same-day delivery. How crazy is that? And as a brand new seller, can you imagine when all of your products are available for Prime Now? What is Prime Now, you might ask? Most don't know because it's crept up without anybody even noticing. It's one of the million different features Amazon is quietly building their dominance on. Prime Now is 2-hour delivery from time of order to customer's delivery. Now, that wasn't a mistake. I did say 2-hour same-day delivery. Think of the increased shift that will happen as millions of people switch from buying in-store to buying online. Everyone knows Amazon has been growing for years, but it's starting to grow even faster. With same-day shipping and only 2-hour wait, why go and stand in line ever again? It will be a rocket ship to the moon for your products on the Amazon marketplace. Any small business could choose to sell a product and with a few clicks, put it in front of millions of customers. It's happening right now, although most are completely unaware of it. Take this as an example. 1 year ago, you didn't see a bunch of Amazon Prime vans delivering products. I didn't either. But now I look around and those Amazon Prime vans, they are everywhere. That happened quick, didn't it? You see, the infrastructure for something amazing is being built before our very eyes. There has never been this much opportunity for online businesses. Amazon has made history in front of our eyes, and all the arrows point to them shaping the future. Are you seeing it? You might ask though, does Amazon support new sellers like myself? Well, let's hear directly from Jeff Bezos. In his recent letter to shareholders, he stated, "We helped independent sellers compete against our first-party business by investing in and offering them the very best selling tools we could imagine and build. There are many such tools, including tools that help sellers manage inventory, process payments, track shipments, increase reports, and sell across borders. And we're inventing more every year." In other words, Amazon is fully committed to helping third-party sellers like yourself enter into the marketplace and succeed. They provide every tool needed to run a business because they know more sales for sellers like you means more sales for Amazon.com. Notice what else Jeff Bezos' letter to shareholders in 2018 said. In 2018, 58% of all sales on Amazon went to third-party sellers compared to Amazon. Now, if I were to tell you you could invest in Uber, Apple, Google right before they were about to completely take over, would you? Of course you would. Well, with the death of retail in full swing, Amazon set to hit 50% of all online purchases this year, half of all of the US homes being Prime members by the end of the year, the infrastructure for getting products to your potential customers in 2 hours being built, the founder of Amazon himself telling you he is building out the very best tools for you to sell on his platform, it is clear the opportunity to get in before this thing completely takes over is right now. My name is Tim Sanders, and if you've never come across my content before, let me introduce myself. April 2019 marked my third full year selling on Amazon, and currently I'm selling over $1 million every 30 days. Don't believe me? Check out my Amazon seller account right now. Now, if you saw my last video in regards to Amazon FBA versus real estate, I hope you enjoyed that. I mentioned that I'm gonna be giving out a free course. And to be eligible to enter into that giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you can leave a comment that relates to the topic at hand, I'd love to hear it. If you don't agree with it or if you agree with it, let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going to release 2 more videos in the upcoming weeks, and you also must comment and like those videos too. And then on that 4th video, I am also going to announce who the giveaway winner was. Now there's tremendous value in this training. I go over every step that I do to run my business and that I know will help you, as I've helped many others succeed too. We have students in my VIP course group right now that are doing over 6 figures every single month, and some doing over $1 million in sales every single year. All of that is in that VIP student group where we're all heading towards that same goal. So again, if you enjoyed this video, Tesla and how it has to do with Amazon and the future of it, if you appreciated that vision I pointed out that's happening right now with Amazon as we speak, make sure to like this video, make a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and guys, I will see you in the next video.